Understanding the phrase, under the fog of. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into a fascinating English expression, under the fog of. This phrase is rich in imagery and meaning, and it's used in various contexts to convey a sense of confusion, obscurity, or being overwhelmed. Let's unravel its meaning together and explore how you can use it effectively in your conversations. The phrase, under the fog of, metaphorically suggests being surrounded or enveloped by a fog that makes it hard to see clearly. In English, a fog often symbolizes confusion, lack of clarity, or being in a state that prevents one from understanding the true nature of things. When someone says they are under the fog of something, it means their judgment, perception, or actions are obscured or influenced by a particular condition or situation. For instance, under the fog of war refers to the chaos and confusion that soldiers and commanders might experience during battle, affecting their decisions and actions. To help you grasp how under the fog of can be used, let's look at a few examples. 1. Under the fog of emotion. This can describe someone making decisions or acting in a way that isn't clear-headed because their emotions are overwhelming them. It's like saying their emotions cloud their judgment. 2. Under the fog of illness. Here, the phrase explains how being sick can affect someone's usual capabilities or thinking processes. It's as if the illness creates a fog that hampers their clarity. 3. Under the fog of misinformation. This usage highlights how false or misleading information can obscure the truth, leading people to believe or act in ways they might not if they had clear, accurate information. Now that you understand what it means and have seen some examples, you might wonder how to incorporate under the fog of into your own conversations. Here are a few tips. Use it to express empathy. When someone is going through a tough time, acknowledging that they are under the fog of their circumstances can show understanding and compassion. To describe complex situations, this phrase is perfect for discussing situations where confusion or lack of clarity is a significant factor, such as historical events, personal decisions, or current affairs. In storytelling, under the fog of adds a layer of depth and emotion when describing characters or settings in narratives, making your storytelling more vivid and engaging. Thank you for joining us as we explored the phrase, under the fog of. Understanding and using expressions like this can add richness and nuance to your English communication, allowing you to express complex ideas and emotions more effectively. We hope this video has illuminated the phrase for you, cutting through the fog of confusion. Happy learning, and see you in the next video.